Cool Kicks YouTube channel out in Panorama City. Going right to the sneakers and finding some interesting stuff already. Size 13, got MB2s. These are the MB2s, right? Yeah, man. $50. Size 13, decent size. Got Crocs, bigger size, size 12, going for 25 still. Full length Boost right here. I don't know which one this is. Pure Boost 22s, going for $45. Interesting colorway of, these are the Ultra Boost Webs, right? The Web Boost right here. $45 for these. These are size 11.5. More and more of these. These are size 11.5. And of course, always got Hokas, the Gaviotas right here. 10.5, go for 90. Multiple colorways, dude. 10.5 right here, go for 50. And then another one right here. Are these the Cat Drift Pumas right here? $36. These are for racing. Got some Puma basketball right here, going for 35. Another Mellow right here, $50 for these. How many Mellows have we seen? Holy cow. Got some NMDs going for 60 right here. I think we're in the size 10 area. MLS soccer ball. This is for young kids. So this is $13. Oh, this is size 5. Okay, this is size 5, 13 bucks. Might have to grab it. Size 5, that is the official size for men's soccer. And look at this. Look at this. I don't really know much about soccer, obviously, but look at this. $170, and it's down to $13. $170 down to $13. This is an MLS one. I'm gonna grab this for my kiddo. He's been playing soccer lately. Then, of course, MB2s again right here. Holy cow, how many different ones have we seen? Oh, does this use nitro? Oh, I didn't know that this uses nitro cushioning. Oh, no kidding. And speaking of nitros, I got a couple of running shoes right here. $40. Puma just getting rid of everything, I guess. Under Armour Machinas right here, going for 50. Then I haven't shown these Trae Youngs in a while. 37. That's like a size 9. Got more Crocs. These are size 8 men's, 25. And they got a few of them. $170 down to $13. They do have these Nike balls right here going for $15. There was like an Indian dude geeking out about that as well. I was like, dude, these are supposed to be some decent balls. He had to grab one too. I don't blame him. What are these? Batting gloves. These are down to $10. Got these really thin Huarache ones as well. Going for hella cheap. Yeah, $6. Got pink ones or purple ones right there. Not seeing too much. Still got a Wilson ball right here. It's a full size. I think it's oh no, this is 12. No, this is full size. Yeah, it says official. Dumb, stupid. $8 for this one. Decent grip. Moving over to the women. I see some Pegasus Turbo Next Natures in a pretty dope colorway. $57. Pretty Fire Air Max 97. $65 for these. Are these a size 10? Looks like a size 10. More and more of these Crocs. Size 11 women's. I did go through pretty much all the aisles. $25. This definitely the big winner of the day. Yeah, where's some? What are these? The Jordan 11 7210 lows. I got these bad boys for what? 85? Was it 85? 100? Maybe 100 at the clearance store. I'm wearing jeans because, yeah, I'm like knocking this visit out in between work hours, man. Oh, wait. I missed this earlier. Vaporfly Next Percent, you guys. Vaporfly Next Percent's $80. These retail for over $2 bills. These are 9.5. That's A hell of a find, holy cow. Got some track spikes right here. Sands, the spikes. Yeah, is it me or is there no price? There's a tag, but there's no price on it. Softball cleats going for $18, smaller size. All right, this is the big find of this trip. All right, let's go pay for it. All right, too many interesting things. Got to stop by another one. Mission Hills. Didn't show much in that last visit in apparel because there really wasn't much. Do got this right here, a generic. Well, actually not generic. It's just a football jersey with nothing on it. It's just a Nike, $80 down to $18. These used to be down to like $9 a while back, no? Lakers team apparel right here. I think U brand? Probably U brand. $13. Columbia windbreaker going for $25. Seen a few of these in a few different sizes. You got the Fanatics. This Kane jersey right here for the Blackhawks. $40. And see one in a large right here. Manchester City pants right here. This is Puma. If you're into soccer, that's what's up. $20. These normally go for what, 80? Way off 70 normally. So that's about it. Then now we're moving on to the sneakers. See if we find anything in the sneaker section. I was just about to say, I don't see any of the MB ones. Yeah, $50, dude. $50. That's like a size 9 or 10 or something. Infinity Run Flyknit 10.5. So the Infinity Run Flyknit 3 is going for $55. More of the Mellows. The MB2s right here, $50, man. If we're seeing a bunch of the MB2s here at Ross, I would tell you guys to expect to see them at the Foot Locker outlet as well as the Champs outlet if you're in LA. If you're not in LA, then check a bunch of Ross, man. Charlotte colorway, kind of like a teal color, $50 for these. Got some Snoop dogs right here. Got some Snoops, Skechers, $35 for these bad boys. We should have known we're gonna see these here, right? I was running 11.5. Got more MB2s in a size 12. The dirtiest Vans you'll ever see. Man, I barely touched it. Alarm going off, bastards. The dirty Vans go for 40. Crocs, I've never seen one like this. Size 13, 25 for those. Like weird texture. Got more up top right there. Another one right there. Forums and a huge, top 10s right here, right? Top 10s. And these, how much these go for? $31. There's like a symphony of alarms going off. I hear it in stereo. Kind of do need some hair clippers, but I don't know. Like Wall is the brand that I really like because I've had mine for I think like 15 years and it's starting to get dull. I wish I can sharpen it myself, but I don't really have the skills. I also want one that cuts a little closer. This little one will work, but it's a Wall home. I kind of want a Wall Pro, see if that does any better. Yeah, these are cheap, dude. These are cheap. These are like $35. This one you get 2 shavers. You get a battery small one. You get a big one, $35, man. Not much in the hat section right here. Nothing worth showing you guys. Isn't baseball season in right now? Got a ton of batting gloves. No football gloves or soccer gloves. None of the soccer balls either. Did I get lucky with the Adidas balls? Checking out the women's section. Oh, we got some men's football cleats here. These Zero men's football cleats. These seem really premium. They seem really nice. They're football cleats, $25. These are size 9.5. I already donated 2 to my kids' school, so kind of done buying cleats. More Pegasus Turbo Next Natures. These are size 8, going for $57. Vans Skate Highs, going for $40. Yeah, I think that's about it, man. Getting all mad for nothing. That's the women's section right there. And FYI, I have been checking the grade school as well. Just haven't been finding as much heat, to be really honest. Next stop, messing with the Burlington. Them Rosses have been pretty fire. Let's see if We see anything here? Some budget hiking or budget running shoes. Wild horses, $50. These are like a size 6. Puma soccer cleats. These are 12 and a half though. These look pretty pricey, look pretty premium. $25 for those. Those are 12 and a half. Pegasus Turbo Next Natures, 10 and a half, going for 50. Wow, we're so much hotter than Burlington right now. It goes in waves, and yeah, it's definitely not a big one here. Not a big one. Laker stuff. This U brand, kind of like a more budget model. But yeah, not really seeing much to show you guys. Nothing in apparel, nothing in accessories. So far, nothing in women's shoes either. All right, last stop for the video. Apparel section. Not really much, but do got these right here. UCLA Jordan shorts, $18. Normally $65. It is a small. They got another one right here, probably a small. We've been seeing plenty of these jerseys right here. Okay, the Blackhawks jerseys, and then got a Fanatics NHL jersey right here. This is double XL. The Coyotes, is this Arizona or Phoenix? Don't really know NHL like that. This is a double XL. $40 for those. That's actually pretty nice. Then also got a Blazers jersey. Damon Lillard. Going for $40, double XL. And then of course they got these budget. Just U-brand Ultra Game. I do got these. Don't look that bad, to be honest. The materials just aren't super premium, that is. But yeah, it's getting its feelings hurt that I'm talking trash about it. But yeah, 65 down to 17. Who's paying 65 for those? I know none of my viewers. Brazil t-shirts. I saw this clearance store or Nike outlet, one of those. We had $12 for these. And I think I see a UCLA jersey. It's like an extra small. God dang, dude, this is like hella young. Yeah, it's a small right there. $25. Super premium, that is. But yeah, this thing's getting its feelings hurt that I'm talking trash about it. But yeah, 65 down to 17. Who's paying 65 for those? I know none of my viewers. Brazil t-shirts. I saw this clearance store or Nike outlet, one of those. We had $12 for these. And I think I see a UCLA jersey. It's like an extra small. God dang, dude, this is like hella young. Yeah, it's a small right there. $25. We got these really hella chunky Crocs right here down to 25. These are huge, size 12. Got the Cat Drift. These are the Ferrari ones, and these are $37. Not bad. These are 8.5. Then more of these, going for 50. Got some Brooks Ghosts going for 65. And some of these Nitros go for 40. Got some Stan Smiths right here. Who is that? Who is that? Stanley who? Oh, this is the Tinkerbell one. So one of the Disney people. But yeah, $31 for those. These are what, a size 9? Got some Under Armour Machinos for 50. Got more and more of these. I would get one if they had my kiddo size. That's a 6.5 and a size 10. Another one of these. These are pretty decent. Midsole seems pretty comfy. 50 for those. Under Armour basketball, smaller size. I don't know the price though. Oh, 35 for those. Got some Currys. Are these Curry 7s? Curry 7, $60. I remember I got one of these for my kids' friends. I think I got it for like $40. 60 here. Size 9 for these right here, 37. And more of these. In the hat section, got some Yukon 2023 men's champs. This is a Nike and it's $6. Nike hat for $6. Columbia Georgia Bulldogs bucket hat right here, 17 for those. I just realized I got 4 of those right there. Haven't seen those soccer balls except that one spot. Okay, then. I guess they are moving quite a bit, I guess, huh? Alright, Ross women's section. Not really much. Got some Crocs right here. These don't look too bad. I'd probably get that for my kiddo if he needed a size. I think we already have a size 9 though, so I think we're good. But yeah, not much in the women's section. Do got plenty of stuff at Ross. Definitely worth a stop, man. Definitely worth a stop. Yeah, it's a size 10. I need a 9.5 for my kiddo. But yeah, make sure you guys check out your local Ross if you guys see anything good in this video. The mellows and stuff, man. If you're a mellow fan, dude, definitely worth checking out. Pretty much every Ross I went to had some. Yeah, that's about it, man. Thanks so much for making it to the end. So thanks so much for supporting the channel. Got plenty coming. Man, help our boy out. Press that like button if you're new. Subscribe. We're done.